Hi, hello, good evening everybody. Para po sa inyong lahat, from the calling, wherever you will go. Sana po magugustuhan po ninyo. Here we go. So lately, been wondering who will be there to take your place. When I'm young, you need love to light the shadows on your face. Ever great waves shall fall, and fall affects us all. And between the sun and storm, would you make it on your own? If I could, then I want. I'll go wherever you will go. We're up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Maybe you'll find out the way to make it back someday. To watch you, guide you through the darkness of your days. Ever great waves shall fall, and all of us that's all. Then I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go. We're up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart. Run away with my home. Run away with my love. Know now just quite how my love and life still go on in my mind, in your mind. I stay with you for all that time. If I could, then I won't. I'll go wherever you will go. We're up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will go. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Medyo may kunting mga mistake pero para po sa inyo. Good evening. Bye-bye.